Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. This is super exciting for me because I've honestly always wanted to make YouTube videos. I love YouTube. I watch it more than I watch TV or movies or anything. Basically what I want this YouTube channel is to be like DIY, upcycling kind of crafts. So I've got a lot of videos planned out for the future. I'm going to try to be putting out at least one video a week. So if you'd like to see more crafting videos, please give me a subscribe. And if you like this video, please like it so I know that you guys want me to make more videos. Because honestly, this is just something I would love to do, and if you guys love this, it would just be so amazing. So yeah, it's the best way to recycle than take something old and make it new and give it new life. And that's what I wanted to do with these jars, because throughout the years I have collected a lot of jars, because every time those Bath & Body Works candles go on sale, you know I'm picking up. They just smell so good. They're so pretty. You can smell the whole scent when you walk into a house. Because I don't know what's worse than getting a candle and it not smelling or not making your whole house smell nice. You know, like you buy a candle and you light it and you walk in and you just can't smell it unless you're standing next to it. But these candles, I can just smell them when I walk through the door. They're so pretty. They have 3 wicks. They last a good amount of time. If you're like me, you burn them pretty often, so they probably don't last you very long. And when that happens, you end up with a lot of these jars. And I hate throwing away stuff that I feel like could get a second use out of it. I'm trying to reduce how much trash I produce. It's hard. I'm not perfect at all. I'm still learning a lot of stuff, but it doesn't matter if you're perfect. All that matters is that you try, and that's what I'm doing. And I hope this video can encourage you to try and maybe make something out of an item you probably would have just thrown away. I think that'd be really cool. Actually, I've had this idea for a while. I just was kind of going back and forth on how I wanted to decorate the jars and what I wanted to do with them. And I actually watched a video from Evan and Katelyn. They're these DIY YouTubers. They did an IKEA alcohol ink hack. And I was like, okay, that's what I'm doing with the jars. I'm going to alcohol ink them because this is just so cool. It's like stained glass, and I love, love, love stained glass. Which stained glass is hopefully something I'll be doing in the future once I can get the materials. But anywho, we're gonna be making these today. What you're gonna need to decorate your jar today is some alcohol ink, some rubbing alcohol. You wanna get the strongest you can. This is 91 proof. Your jars, of course, some paper towels, and some gloves because this alcohol ink will stain your hands. If you hear something running in the background, it's my refrigerator. I'm really sorry. I don't really have anywhere else I can film.
So the way you're going to clean out your candle before you start your project is you're going to throw it in the freezer for about an hour. When you throw it in the freezer, it's going to allow you to pop the candle right out. Take a knife to it, and I just hit a corner, and usually it will just pop right out. I already did this. And then you can just slide it out. And you're going to want to remove this sticker and the one on the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to remove this one on the bottom properly because it is sometimes harder to remove. This one you can just peel right off, but you're going to need an essential oil for it. So what I'm doing right now is applying some peppermint oil to it, and that should loosen it up. You can use probably any sort of essential oil that you have. I just like to use ones that I have a lot of, which is like peppermint, lemon, or lavender. But yeah, I put that. Just gonna let these jars sit with essential oil for maybe 20 minutes. It really doesn't take that long. And just like this one, just scrape right off. So that's really all you need to do is just let it soak, and then you can just scrape these stickers off and then just discard of them the proper way. This one actually started peeling off, so if your candle's in good enough condition on the bottom, you might be able to just spread the oil all over it and then peel the sticker off instead of scraping it. And then once you have scraped or peeled your sticker off, you're still going to have some residue. So you're just going to want to take your essential oil and just put some more on there and spread it around and just let it sit for a minute, and then you'll just be able to scrub it off with a sponge and it will be nice and clean.
So we're going to take our jar. We want to clean it with rubbing alcohol. You don't want any oils on there. So I like to fold my paper towel. I like to get a good amount. We just want the inside to be the cleanest because this is where we're going to be doing our alcohol ink. I'm going to put this on its side, and I'm going to try to do stripes. So I'm going to use purple for the first one. What I did was I dropped it and then I twisted it the whole time. Shake it. Then I'm going to try to start from the same part. So you're going to do a drop and you're just going to, ooh, that looks so cool. Ooh, don't get in the purple. Try not to mix it in with your purple. Easier said than done. Ooh, we got that second stripe going down. Pink next. So do it a good distance away from your line because you don't want them to mix together because they will mix together, it seems. Maybe, but don't do it too far. Oh, this is looking crazy. It's mixing in a couple parts, but that's okay. This really, it's gonna be abstract. It doesn't have to look perfect. It's just about having fun right now. And I love doing funky colors. If you don't like this way, you can see the other ways that I'm gonna do it. So yeah, you can, everything everything is gonna look different. What I do is gonna look completely different from what you do. And also, if you hate it, I'm pretty sure you can just squirt some alcohol and clean it right off and start right over. So I'm gonna let this dry on its side. Clean up anything you've spilt, just so you don't get it on your project. Also, wipe the gloves off. Kobe. I wanted to try to make some poinsettias with this one. So let's see what I can do. This is gonna be an abstract one. Trust me, this is not gonna be anything similar to a real one, but it will be cat friendly, because those are extremely toxic to cats. Please do not have those in your house. If you have a cat, if your cat eats it, it's not good. And our furry friends are very important. Process kind of takes a minute, so you're gonna have to be patient. I only have my phone to film on. I'll be working on getting a camera when I can, but right now I've got that new iPhone and it is pretty damn awesome. It's so cool. I love this one. They just keep getting better and better. And that's what's awesome about this, is you literally can just keep making something and making something and making something. Just keep doing fun stuff. The possibilities are endless. I want to do gold first, because gold is the prettiest. don't want you up here because I'm working with stuff that's not safe for kitty cats. Yeah, I'm sorry. She's so talkative. It's like she's always saying something to you. Sometimes I'm like, are you okay? Like, is something wrong with you? Not that something wrong with you, but like, is something wrong? Are you hurt? But she just likes to talk, I guess. Oh my gosh. Hey, please. I don't want to drip ink on you. Get off. Please. Oh. If I lock her up in my room, she's just gonna pull the door out of the door. So I can't do that. So, thank you so much for watching this, and just I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope I see you in the next video.